Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're enjoying our body shape series so far. So in our very first video, I shared a story of how a young girl was struggling with her body shape. And in our second video, we discussed the 5 basic body shape that we have. In today's video, we'll answer the big question. What is my body shape? Yes, what is our body shape? In today's video, we just want to know our body shape. We just want to gain clarity of our body shape. No judgment, no pressure, just us wanting to know our body shape. I mean, a girl just wants to know her body shape. So let's get right into today's video. First, I want to start by letting you know that knowing your body shape does not mean you fitting into a box or conforming into society's standard. It is just us wanting to know the shape we fall under and how best we'll be able to style our body. Every shape is beautiful. This series is just a guide for us to be able to style our body shape and look very beautiful. To get started, you need either a mirror or a full body photo of you, then a measuring tape. And the third thing you would need is a kind mindset, because this is about you and it is not comparison. So if you'll be using a measuring tape, you just have to measure like your basic bodies, your bust, your shoulder. The shoulder is optional for me. Then your waist and then your hip. So measuring our busts, you can have someone help you do this so it is easier. And then my waist is 26. I already like, as a woman, it is important you have like, or you know, this basic measurement. My waist is 26. Yes, it is tiny. I wanted it to be like 824. Then my hip is 36. You measure your waist, your hip. Oh, my hip is 37. I'm getting fat. But my like 36 can work also. If you're not using a measuring tape, you can actually just look in the mirror and observe your silhouette, or a photo of you. You can just observe your body looking at a photo of you. So if you notice that you have more fullness around your hip, your your laps, then you fall under a pear body shape, and your bust and your shoulders are small, then you fall under a pear body shape. Then if you notice your shoulders or your bust are big, your bust is big, if you notice that your bust is bigger than your hip, or your tummy area is quite big, then you fall under an apple body shape. So when you notice that you have more fullness around your tummy, your bust, and you have slimmer legs, then you likely fall under an apple body. Then for an hourglass body shape, your bust and hip, for some they might be the same. Then for some, the hip might be a bit bigger than the bust and your waist is really tiny, then that's an hourglass body shape. Just like we measured mine now. My hip is 37, my bust is 32. You can see that the difference between my hip and my bust is really like not so much, just 4 5 inch difference. So, and my waist is like 26. My waist is kind of dipped in, so that's an hourglass body shape. Then for the rectangle, if you notice that your bust, your shoulder, your midsection, that's your waist, they are like fairly the same size, then you fall under a rectangle. Let's use my own body shape for instance. Now, after measuring, we noticed that my bust was 32 and my hip was 36, 37. So if after measuring and my bust was like 32 and my hip was about let's say my hip was like 33 or 34, then my waist isn't 26, but my waist is now like say 30, 31, or 32, then I'm a rectangle body shape, because as you can see, like the measurements are like almost the same thing. And for the inverted triangle shape, your shoulder and your bust is way bigger than your hip. then you fall under, like your shoulder is quite broad than your hip, then you fall under the inverted triangle body shape. There's something I want us to note, and that is we can fall between two body shapes. Like me, for instance, now you can pass me for like a slim pear body or an hourglass body shape after measuring, but just choose the one that you fall closest to. Like for me, I'm closer to the hourglass body shape. If my hip was a bit bigger than 37, then I would have said, okay, I fall under the pear category. But because my hip is about 37 and not wider, if my hip was like 40, I can say, okay, I fall under the pear body shape, like a slim pear body shape. But my hip is 37. So this, just know that you can fall under two body shape, just choose the one that is closest to your proportion. To wrap this series up, I want us to note that whatever body shape or body type you fall under is best for you. This video is just to guide you on how best you can be able to style whatever body shape you fall under. Sefimi. Are we clear? Did I get my French right? Sefimi. Or did I speak French or I spoke something else? Yeah, so we've gotten to the end of the video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share so that other women can get to see this series. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, yes. And our next series will be on Thursday. So do not forget to log in to April 7 Style channel on Thursday. Bye. I see you in my next video.